This is Noaa Weather Radio, all-hazard station WXL58, operating on frequency 162.55 MHz. This program originates from the National Weather Service in Raleigh and is transmitted from an antenna located on the UNC TV tower near Chappel Hill. This station serves the northeast Piedmont of North Carolina.
The current time is 10:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
The air quality forecast for Tuesday in Orange County is 56, or code yellow. Air quality is a concern for people who are unusually sensitive to air pollution with the primary pollutant of small particulate. Here is a special message from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Johnston, North Carolina. Flood warning remains in effect until further notice. What? Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. Where? News River at Smithfield. When? Until further notice. Impacts, at 15.0 feet, minor flooding begins. Flooding begins along the News River Walk. Water nears the base of the holding tank at the water treatment plant. Additional details, at 3:15 a.m. Tuesday the stage was 15.6 feet. Recent activity, the maximum river stage in the 24 hours ending at 3:15 a.m. Tuesday was 15.6 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to remain steady above flood stage at 15.5 feet. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 15.0 feet on October 13, 2018. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Here is the latest weather synopsis. High pressure will extend from the Great Lakes to the Middle Atlantic for the rest of this week. Here is the latest National Weather Service forecast for Raleigh and vicinity. Today, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. North winds around 5 miles per hour. Tonight, clear. Lows in the lower 60s. Northeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-50s. East winds around 5 miles per hour in the evening, becoming light and variable. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Northeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Thursday night through Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. Highs in the lower 80s. Saturday through Monday, clear. Highs in the upper 80s. Lows in the mid-60s. Here are the 6 a.m. observations for the northeast Piedmont. At the Raleigh-Durham Airport, it was mostly cloudy. The temperature was 72 degrees, the dew point 67, and the relative humidity 84%. The wind was north at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.93 inches and rising. At Burlington, it was clear. The temperature was 65 degrees, the dew point 60, and the relative humidity 84%. The wind was northwest at 3 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.95 inches and rising. Elsewhere across the state this hour, at Charlotte, it was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 68. At Greensboro, it was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 65. In Roxborough, it was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 64. At Lillington, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 71. At Lewisburg, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 68. At Fayetteville, it was clear, with a temperature of 71. At the Rocky Mount Wilson Airport, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 69. At Wilmington, it was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 72. At Cape Hatteras, it was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 73.